Well, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Nero, and if you've been here, thank you so much for always supporting me. So today's video is all about this hair tutorial. I'm telling you, this hair is so big. So if you're that person who loves big hair and love the vibe of the big hair don't care look, then this is the look for you. So yeah, let's get to the video. Okay, so guys, I used one packet of Marley Hair by Angels, and it fits quite well. Actually, a lot of guys are like, how many packets did you use? I'm like, one. Yo, you used one packet for that style. So if you know how to divide the hair into small strands, then you're going to then the one packet is going to work for you. But if you put the whole strand, it's not going to work for you, and it's actually going to look like you've done what is it called, they look like dreadlocks. So for them not to look so puffy and like dreadlocks, you're supposed to detangle them for them to look kind of natural. But still, I feel like this is so big, but this is the most natural look I could get from it, because this is only one pack. You can imagine guys, just one pack, and I got it from a beauty shop around, and it was 500. So it should not cost you more than 500 shillings or maybe 600 shillings, because different shops have different prices. So the fact that I got it for 500 also doesn't mean that you're going to get it for 500. Then I had a leave out at the front. I remember I had this hairstyle on another video, but I was styling it, so everyone was like, would you please do a tutorial on how you did that hair? So I did the video for how I did this crochet hair, and make sure to watch till the end to see how I did this hair. So if you're also curious about styling it, you can also check my other videos. I have a video of styling this type of look. So guys, it's so, I feel amazing every time I put this style. I feel so amazing, like, yo. So let me show you. So you can see at the front I had a leave out. You can see my hair is short, but I still had a leave out. But when you pull it back, you definitely can tell, you can definitely tell this is my actual natural hair, but it's not. So it has a lot of styles of, it has, so it has a lot of ways of tying. If you don't want too much hair on your face, you can tie it going backwards. You can style it like going to the side, like I had styled it. So guys, you don't have to spend a lot of money to look amazing. This is something I tell everyone. So if you're broke once in a while, if you feel like you need to do something for yourself, you don't have to go to the salon to do this style, or you can actually do your cornrows at the salon, then you can come and crochet this actual hair by yourself. So I hope you're going to enjoy this tutorial, because I did enjoy filming it, because it's been a while since I did a hair tutorial, and I hope you guys are going to love this tutorial, because guys, look at me. I look amazing. I actually feel like it's my own hair, because it looks natural, as in it's not too soft and it's not too rough, like it's just there, and the feel of that makes me feel like a queen, a queen, a queen, a queen, a queen. So with no further ado, so guys, and yes, I forgot to tell you that to maintain this hair, actually the last time I put it, I didn't stay for long with it, but I know it's going to be trouble to maintain this hair. So you can actually check Medai's channel. She did a tutorial on how to maintain this type of crochet look on your hair if you want it to stay for long. But I don't stay with my hairstyles for long, but I'll try to stay with this one for long, so that I can tell you guys how it felt with it and how you can maintain it. But so far so good. On, I feel like water really helps to detangle. If not water, conditioner. Water and conditioner really help with detangling this hair. So you have to treat this hair like your natural hair if you want it to stay for long. So if you do not have time to take care of your hair, then this is not gonna work for you. So put time to take care of your hair and you'll be okay. So I think I've said everything I need to say about this hair on this video. it's high maintenance, so if you feel this style is for you, then you can do it, but make sure to be very careful with maintaining it because it needs a lot of care. And having the leave out on the front makes it look more natural, so don't also forget you can do without the leave out, but it will look like yeah, it's not your hair. So having the leave out makes it look natural. So yeah, that is a bonus for it, and you can style it in many ways, so don't forget to watch the video about styling it. So without further ado, let's get to the video.
One time, it's a bad man thing. It's Bodsy, baby. VQs, let's go. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. Standard. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you.
So as you loop your crochet braid, you can do the single loop or the double loop part. The double loop is going to be more secure than single one because you can feel as you do the single one, it's actually moving, it's going to come out easily and quickly. So you can do the double loop to have a secure crochet braid.
Bad man, me na give her one time, night time. Say she want me for lifetime. Bad man, me na give her the pipeline. Enter the place, they be feeling her body, swinging and moving and killing her body. She ain't got nothing to prove. She ain't got nothing to lose. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock
So
like
when
a
you actually
hurricane.
get to the middle where you want your hair to look a little bit more natural than the normal crochet braids, so you can actually do the invisible way of crocheting. So that is, you leave one strand of the hair out while you loop the other part of the hair. So if you want a more natural look, you can actually do the invisible look. So at the back you don't actually have to do the invisible look because no one is actually seeing your hair at the back. The hair at the front is going to hide the hair at the back. So at the back you can do the double knot crochet braids or the single knot, but I'd advise you to do the double knot because it's more secure than the single knot, because when you try to style your braids you might find like you've plucked one of them because the single loop is not really secure. So when you get to the front, you really need to be very careful with how you do the invisible method at the front, because you want it to look very neat and pretty. So if you want your parting to be on the side, you can do invisible part on the side and also in the middle, but I prefer to do mine on the side and also on the middle, where I'm going to do most of my styling. So if I'm styling my hair from the left side to the right side, I'll make sure my invisible part is on my left side, and also in the middle when I want to style my hair from the middle part. So that is just all about crochet braids. If you want to know more about if you want to know more about crochet braids, keep on watching my other videos because I have other videos explaining more stuff about crochet braids, and I also have another video showing how to style this type of hair. So you can book for an appointment for your hair to get done on my Instagram account. So yeah, don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you want me to do more of these videos, and thank you so much for the support, guys. I love you so much. Bye.
One time, it's a bad man thing. It's Bodsy, baby. VQs, let's go. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. Standard. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I I want to meet you. Hurricane, yeah. I want to tell them I'm the realest, then they feel me. Killing on the rhythm, then they feel me. I'm always all about my business. I got my business and will never ever finish. She know be want to test in my style. Say she wanna throw the dice, body looking nice. From my hips down to her thighs. Then I look her in her eyes. One time, say she no one waste time. Bad man, me na give her one time, night time. Say she want me for lifetime. Bad man, me na give her the pipeline. Enter the place, they be feeling her body. Swinging and moving and killing her body. She ain't got nothing to prove. She ain't got nothing to lose. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane.